Okay, guys. So yes, we picked up the new Bentley yesterday, and it's absolutely amazing. The new Continental GT, um, just incredible, absolutely incredible. And people are asking me, look, how do you achieve, you know, the kind of income, to be able to be in a position to drive these kind of cars daily? And the reality is, I've been an entrepreneur now for, well, all my life. Since I was 18, I used to brush the streets for a living. So again, I was trading my time for money. And if you're trading your time for money, you will always be poor, no matter if you're a doctor or a lawyer. The reason I say that is because when you stop work, your income stops. Now, I got into the internet in 1995, and by 1997, I was making a full-time income on the internet. The internet never sleeps. So 26 years later, I'm still making money on the internet. Okay, so we got into Bitcoin a couple of years ago, and cryptocurrency, and now we're in the token industry, which is absolutely incredible profits to be made here. So start of this month, May 2019, I was involved in Forex and crypto and doing fantastically well, but I come across the cloud token. Somebody shared cloud token with me. Wilson, good friend from Ireland. We'd done business many years ago. Hooked up with Paul McCarthy, who I worked with 7 years ago. Very strong leader in the industry. And again, I made a decision. I dropped everything, basically. And in 26 years, I've never seen anything so powerful, so easy. So if you're out there on the internet and you want to learn more about Cloud Token and how it works, I'm looking for team members who literally want to make not just a six-figure income, but a seven-figure income. So comment info on this video wherever you're watching it, whether it's on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Comment info and I'll send you information that will truly blow your mind. And by the way, it doesn't cost anything. There's nothing to buy and there's nothing to sell. So again, comment info. I'll get this information to you and it will blow your mind. God bless you. Thanks for watching.